fishies. Hank the Whale is my name. And guess what, you guys? I have got a sweet surprise for all of you.
You got a surprise? That sounds super fantastic, Hank. This is honestly the first time you planned something really special for our friend group. So this is indeed a first right there.
Well then, Hank, what is the special surprise you have got for us? Did you got a new bicycle? Is Goldie being asked to star in an upcoming stage play? Or are we going on a road trip?
Unfortunately, it's none of those guesses. But, on the sweet side, what I do have are 10 tickets to go see Harold and the Purple Crayon.
Gasp. Are you saying that we're going to see the Harold and the Purple Crayon movie? Yahoo! That is such a sweet surprise you got for us, Hank. I've been wanting to see that film for a while now.
And we did caught some snippets from the movie online as well. And from the looks of it, it seems like a pretty harmless film overall. So we're totally in for it.
And the original book was also pretty charming and fantastic in addition to its film counterpart. So that is why our decision is settled. Since you got 10 tickets, all 9 of us, and Toad will be going to the AMC theaters to see Harold and the Purple Crayon.
How about we all stay home? Because I am not going to see no Harold and the Purple Crayon trash. The original book was a disgrace anyway, so this movie should be awful as well. How about we stay at home and just watch Sausage Party instead?
Hey. Please calm down, Toad. This is the first time you are watching this film anyways. So how can you point out that a film is terrible when you haven't even seen it? Just give this movie a chance, and maybe you might enjoy it.
And like we said in the past, Sausage Party is rated R, and you are not old enough to watch it yet. So we are still going to see Harold and the Purple Crayon. So end of story.
You better behave yourself while we are at the movies. Cause if you do something super bad, you'll be punished for your actions. Do you understand that?
Fine, I won't misbehave.
That's a good boy. Now let's get in the car and make our way to the theater.
Hello and welcome to the AMC Theaters. How can I do for you?
We have 10 tickets for Harold and the Purple Crayon, mister. We just need them scanned before we can see it.
Alrighty, just hand over the tickets and I'll scan it for you. Enjoy the movie. You guys will be in Theater 9 on the right.
I am super excited to see this movie. Glad Hank was able to order tickets for all of us.
And Toad didn't even make us run late for the film. So that is an indeed plus in our books. Now to get comfortable while we wait for the movie to start.
So Fishies, who is all pumped up to see this soon-to-be incredible movie that we are about to watch. Raise up fins, please.
Guess that is all of us, Hank. And from the looks of it, it seems like the film is about to begin. So let's give this experience of a magical purple crayon started.
Before we begin our film, we'd like to go over a few policies. Do not talk. Do not text. Do not act crazy. Keep an eye on your personal belongings. Be sure to watch your step. And do not scream or yell during the film. If you break any of these rules, you'll be kicked out. That's all, so please enjoy the movie. A couple of minutes into the movie, man, this movie is already starting to feel so boring. I wish I could spice things up a bit, like interrupt the film and replace it with something else. Wait, that doesn't sound like a bad idea. Wait, who is that next to me? It's Christo. Maybe I might get some backup. Psst, hey, Christo! Psst, psst. Christo! 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 It's Toad! Hello? Christo? Christo!
Excuse me, what? Toad? You are seeing this movie as well?
Yes, I am. I have one question, though. Does this movie seem a little boring to you?
As a matter of fact, it does feel so boring. Who even asked for a movie that is based on a book that is almost like 70 years old? What about it exactly?
Well, want to replace the film with something random?
Oh, for sure, I would love to get rid of this trash and put up something a whole lot better than this movie.
Good. Now, let's sneak out to the projector room without anyone noticing us. Haha! We successfully found the projector room. Time to shut down this movie once and for all.
Though that begs the question, if we're gonna replace the movie with something else, then what do you have in your mind that can be the replacement?
Trust me, I got all of that under control. Now it's time for the replacement movie.
What a Nada. What a mommy. We promise we will pay. We will be good. What a Nada. No.
Hey, what's the big idea? I was in the middle of the movie. Why is this garbage on the screen? Whoever did this should get kicked out forever. Someone check the security footage. I'm getting out of here. This movie experience is ruined for good. How dare you?
Hey, why is the movie replaced with footage of random dancing? This feels so suspicious. I need to report this again. Excuse me, mister, but while I was watching Harold and the Purple Crayon, the movie suddenly turned off, and in its place are footage of people doing random dancing. I bet someone did this to prank everybody in the theater. Can you figure out who might have did this?
Thank you for letting me know. I will go into the projector room to see if someone has sneaked inside and replaced the movie. Excuse me? What are you two doing here? You are not supposed to be in this room. Well, we were trying to search for the bathroom. However, we got lost and ended up in here. Oh, if that's the case then, I'll probably let you guys go in. Wait a second. Something feels a little fishy here. How you two were able to locate the projector room anyway?
Boy, it was such a lucky guess. We just felt like exploring this room for a bit before we went back to the theater.
Okay then. Well, I'll just take out the random footage before we Hold up! Wait a second! Why are you two doing on that movie screen? Wait, what movie screen? That is likely imposters of us. Something feels a little suspicious here. Do you two have anything to do with the movie Harold and the Purple Crayon being replaced with this random dancing footage? No, we were watching, the, Peanuts movie. Yeah, we were watching the Peanuts movie when this was happening. You do know that film is currently not on sale at the moment, right? Which movie were you two seeing when this happened? Alright, fine. You caught us. We were watching Harold and the Purple Crayon. However, we didn't like this movie. So that's why we snuck into this projector room and replaced the film with a video of us doing random dancing with all our friends. There, end of story. I knew you two were responsible because you two were on the screen. You two are coming with me this instant. Attention everyone, I do apologize for the inconvenience. Apparently, the movie was somehow replaced with a video of random dancing out of the blue. And it's all thanks to these two troublemakers. Unfortunately, we'll have to suspend the rest of the showing of Harold and the Purple Crayon until tomorrow. And all your tickets will have to be refunded. Do you two have anything to say to everyone in the theater? We are so sorry, everyone.
The two of you should be sorry. You both ruined the movie for everyone. Shame on you.
Just as we expect you two are responsible for this disruption. That's it. We're all going straight home right this second. And we're gonna have a big talk once we arrive. Now let's go.
Toad Pupa and Christo Ronaldson. Do you two got any idea on how much trouble you both got yourselves into?
We cannot believe you two snuck into the projector room and replaced Harold and the Purple Crayon with a video of you both doing random dancing with your friends.
You are not supposed to trespass into any projector room at the movie theater if you're not an employee. And replacing a movie with random videos is not okay as well.
Now your actions have completely ruined the entire movie for everyone else that came to see it. You are lucky Hank got a refund of the tickets he ordered, or else they would have gone to waste.
And you know what? We just have had it with this crazy day.
You
both are grounded for 15 days.
And you are not to hang out with your crew members in addition to being grounded.
And as for you, Christo, we'll have to call your mom about this disaster you caused at the theaters.
And this means no TV, no computer, no treats, no movie theaters, and furthermore, now go to your room right now, Toad, and go straight home this minute, Christo. Get out of our sights now. The good side from all of this is that Hank was able to receive a refund of the tickets for the movie. He just needs to renew them for tomorrow's makeup showing.
Guess we are such lucky ones for this video.
And this time, Toad won't be joining us to avoid any further interruptions during the film. So we'll put his ticket aside for now.
Until then, let's just sit back and read the original book while we wait for tomorrow to arrive.
Thanks for watching, viewers. Come back again Thursday.